44. A bomb of mass 1 kg is thrown vertically upward with a speed of 100 meters per second. After 5 seconds, it explodes into two fragments. One of the fragments of mass 400 gram is found to go down with a speed of 25 meters per second. What will happen to the second fragment just after the explosion? It will go upward with a speed of 40 meters per second. It will go down upward with a speed of 100 meters per second. It will go upward with a speed of 60 meters. The last one, it will go downwards with a speed of 40 meters per second. So really what is happening? We will draw. So a bomb is thrown upwards. So when it is going upwards at one point, it explodes. So initial velocity is given. When it is exploding, it is divided into two pieces. One is coming downwards, means for the law of conservation of leading momentum for valid, another one should go upward. So if one is going downward, other one should go upward. So one of the fragments should go downwards, no doubt in it. But what should be the velocity for that? First, we have to calculate when the bomb explodes, what will be the velocity. For that, we will use the equations of motion. So going for the equation, V is equal to U minus GT. So in this case, U is given as 100 minus G is 10, T is given as 5 seconds. So it is 100 minus 50. So V equal to 50. So at the time of explosion, the velocity of the bomb is 50 meters per second. Using conservation of momentum, we can say the mass of the initial velocity of the bomb into initial velocity of the mass and initial velocity product should be equal to mass of the first fragment into its velocity plus mass of the second fragment into the velocity. We are supposed to find m2 v2, especially we are going to find v2. So m2 v2 equal to mv minus m1 v1. So we are supposed to use this equation for calculation. So we will go for calculation now. Now m2 v2, m2 is given as 0.6 because it is 400 gram is the weight of the one fragment m1. So m2 is a 0.6. So m2 is a 0.6 into v2 should be equal to m is 1 kg into v is a 50 minus, so v is 50, m is 1 kg, so it is simply minus m1. m1 is a 0.4, v1 is a minus the 25. So why it is minus 25? Because if this velocity is taken as going upward as a positive, so if this is positive, this should be negative, because velocity of the bomb which is going upward should be, if taken as positive, the bomb which is going downward should be taken as a negative velocity. So 0.6 v2 equal to 50 minus into minus plus 0.4 into 25. So this is a 50 plus 10, 60. So v2 equal to 60 divided by 0.6. So 60 by 0.6 is going to be 100. So velocity of the second bomb is 100 meters per second and it should go upward. So answer is B is the correct answer. So that is question number 44. Now let us go for the